Labubu or Lafufu. In today's unboxing video, let's see if we got scammed. See right there, that's what a Labubu should look like, which is a really popular collectible plush toy monster that I have a feeling parents are going to be buying for their kids over the holidays. A Lafufu is a counterfeit fake, and I'm going to show you a couple warning signs that you're looking at a counterfeit. Alright, right off the bat you'll see we have problems with the box. Notice the creases and bowing of the box. The box just feels flimsy. And you'll see right there, there is the QR code and it does work at the bottom. But you'll see at the top here, even with the Pop Mart logo, that everything just looks dull. Like it's this low resolution copy of what original box should look like. Here you'll see all the different types of Labubu designs, including the rare secret one. Now this secret Labubu can go for hundreds of dollars online. On the front you'll see there's no matte finish or embossing of the lettering on the box. There wasn't a pull tab on the top of the box, which an authentic Labubu box does have. This is why I'm using my Leatherman right here. And another problem we had, our credit card was charged several times by the vendor. Pop Mart wouldn't do this. So we had to dispute the charges with the credit card company, and we received a full refund and a new credit card. The vendor still sent us this Labubu though. This Labubu was inserted upside down, which is kind of strange. Big into energy. Funny English. Okay, you see here the images in the bag, they're not sharp and the colors are faded. Open this up. And it appears that we have a secret Labubu. But we got some problems here. There's no desiccant bag or ID card that came with this. Tags look decent enough, but there's supposed to be a QR code on the tag. There's supposed to be little logos on the feet. Stitching is shoddy though. See all the string that's already falling off this guy? Oh, we got problems with the ears too. They're supposed to be upright and not bent backwards. Trying to fix the ears. The head can rotate a little bit, so that's good. All right, let's see if we can stand. Forget that. The vinyl face does have molded eyebrows, but the skin appears kind of plasticky. The nose definitely has some chipped paint. The eyes are kind of dull. Real Labubus have layers and depth to their eyes. a real Labubu has a little bit more padding inside the body. Yeah, there should be a QR code here. So this means that we have a Lafufu. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can see when we upload our next video.